Hi everyone, Elizabeth here from the Caledon Parent Child Centre, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing an activity with you guys using crayons. Do you have any broken crayons at home that you don't use? Well, this activity will put them to use. If you don't have any, you can just use a regular pack of crayons. This activity is called Sun Melted Crayon. This activity is very simple. You only need some crayons, cookie cutters, aluminum foil, and a plate or a tray. The first step for this activity would be to gather all your materials, go outside and find a nice sunny space to sit with your materials on a table. The next step would be to lay down a piece of aluminum foil onto the tray or plate. After placing the aluminum foil onto the tray or plate, choose a few cookie cutters that you like. For me, I chose a crown, a butterfly, a flower, and a rainbow. Now it's time to fill the cookie cutters with the crayons. But before doing so, please remove the paper covering on top of the crayons. Depending on how large your cookie cutters are, you may need more than one crayon. And I also decided to mix and match the colors. Now we wait for the sun to do its magic. Depending on how sunny it is and how hot it is outside, this may take up to 30 minutes or longer to melt. The final step would be to bring the crayons inside and let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before removing them out of the cookie cutters. Be very careful at this step because it might break. And there you go, that's our activity for today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Before we go, I just wanted to share some skills that your children may have learned after this activity. So your children probably understand cause and effect now. What would happen if you leave some crayons outside on a sunny day? It would melt. They also probably have a boosted self-esteem after seeing what their actions has caused. And they're also developing their fine and gross motor skill. They were breaking the crayons and putting them in the cookie cutters. They also understand shapes, three-dimensional shapes, and the names of it. So I hope you guys enjoy this activity. We'll see you next week. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.